Hi guys, me Logan here. I hope you guys are doing really well. Well, it's almost nighttime right now, and I know this is the third video today. It's another mystery wand. If you didn't see that video, go check it out on my channel after this one. And the wands that we can collect are Albus Dumbledore, Cho Chang, Ginny Weasley, Harry Potter, Hermione Granger, Luna Lovegood, Nick Fedora Tonks, Ron Weasley, and Severus Snape. And these are the Petronas versions. And so what it shows is it's a little wand stand. On the back it says Expecto Patronum, and then their Patronus is right there. Oh, thanks, Dad. Turn on the light, please. Thank you.
All right, okay, turn the light on.
My dad's going to turn on the light. Lumos! There.
Oh.
Look. I have my Death Eater Thorn wand with me. Come here, Pen. I need you. What? What? Oh, yes, I got it. I'm going to rip open this packaging. If only I had a dagger with me so the unboxing would be more magical, because they're Harry Potter wands. Harry Potter mystery wands, and these ones are the Patronus version. I don't know if they're... Dad, you're right. I got Jenny Weasley. I can tell by the shape. Wait. Nope, I definitely got Cho Chang because of the Patronus. Her Patronus is a swan, and there's a swan right here. So if you haven't seen my other video, so you get this piece with their Patronus in it. And then you get this, where it says their name right here, and then Expecto Patronum up here. And then this little thing right here, there will be a little slot here where you just slide it right in here. Not in the hole, but the one in front of it. Now time to reveal the wand. And I got Cho Chang! Yes! One of the ones I wanted, finally. Look at the spiral texture. There's a spiral on the handle, grips over here, and then more swirls, and then it's blank. Wow. And this one, I like that the trademarks get covered by your thumb. See, you can't see them anymore now. Because on this one, when you're holding it, you can see the trademarks right there. And with the Elder Wand, you go check out the other video if you want to see that Elder Wand. Wow. And then to put it in, you put it through this little hole right here. There we go. Miss Cho Chang. And on this, it's kind of like a velvet, kind of, just to let you know. Bye guys, thanks for watching. Make sure to hit that subscribe button, and so you never miss another video. Hit that notification bell so you also don't miss another video. And like this video. And comment. Please comment too. What's that, Munchie? You have a trivia question for us? Okay. So So what was it in Munchie says, what was the middle part of Cho Chang's wand texture like? So make sure to comment that too. Bye, until next time. See ya. Bye. Cho Chang and Danny Egg.